Fall is upon us once again, so we must remember some of the most important seasonal maintenance items that should be addressed every year. While our residents will be responsible for the basics like changing light bulbs or smoke detector batteries, there are some larger projects that you as the landlord are responsible for. Rest assured that if you are one of our clients, we'll reach out to you proactively to offer scheduling of these important maintenance items.
When thinking about fall maintenance, some of the most critical items to be addressed are a furnace tune-up, gutter cleaning, winterizing sprinkler systems and swamp coolers, inspecting fireplaces and chimneys, and preventative tree trimming to avoid any disasters after a heavy wet snow. Fall and winter are some tough seasons in Colorado, so it's critical that you are prepared. While the weather is still warm now, cooler temperatures are just around the corner. Our clients should remember to keep an eye out for any emails from their maintenance coordinator about scheduling these routine, important maintenance items. And remember, practicing preventative maintenance will help you save more on property expenses in the long run.
There are many ways our maintenance department helps our landlords save money on maintenance. In addition to handling preventative maintenance items before they become a costly emergency, we utilize our vendor network to ensure the best maintenance outcomes. We have multiple vendors for each trade, so this helps to ensure both prompt availability and that each vendor is charging fair pricing. Additionally, we have our vendors sign agreements to ensure that work is completed correctly the first time. If not, they will make it right. When it comes to rental properties, maintenance can make or break your returns as an investor. Our clients not only save money on routine maintenance, but can better avoid costly emergency repairs.